Well, hi there, this is Herb, and today I'm just going to teach you something about your generator. Alright, so sometimes when you're driving your car you might hear this, it's like this tss noise. So if you take the belt off, which normally is right here, the belt's right there, right? If you take the belt off, you can spin this, which is the pulley for the generator, right? Because this part's the generator. So you want to like spin the generator, and then if you hear a little bit of a noise, like it's this high pitched noise, that means that the fan in the back, because there's a fan behind this generator, because it's bolted onto the generator, and behind here, behind this metal part, is a fan, and that's hitting this shroud piece. So what you want to do is you want to raise or lower the generator in order to stop this great noise, which isn't very annoying when you spin it by hand, but when you're driving it, it makes quite a noise. Alright, so what you want to do is, there's a bracket right here that holds the generator on. You've got to unbolt the bracket that's right here. It's a 13 millimeter, and then you want to push the shroud back, so this shroud part, you want to push the whole thing a little bit back, and you're going to need a little tiny piece of cardboard. I think I might have something like that here. Okay, a piece of junk mail works perfectly. This, for instance. So you just slide it in between this thing, right? You can't really see it. In between there. So you want that piece of paper in between here. And then you bolt it all back down. And you don't put the pulley back on. You just spin this by hand to the right. And after you spun it to the right, then you'll hear, if you hear the noise, then you've needed probably another shim. So you want to put another piece of paper underneath there. So you unbolt this thing again, and then you push it back, put another piece of paper underneath here, and put it back down, bolt this back on, spin it by hand again, see if you hear the noise. If you don't hear the noise, then you're good, and you can stop changing it. If you do hear the noise, then put another piece of paper on it to raise it up again, and you slowly do that until the thing goes away. And if raising it is continuously making more noise, then you want to lower it. So you take a piece of paper out, and you take another piece of paper out, but you absolutely need to have at least one piece of paper in between there, and a newspaper, a minimum is a newspaper in there in order to make it have the correct noise in there. Alright, that's my explanation of the generator. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks, and have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the future. And yes, that's a 1600 motor. Yeah.